guys, Linda here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're just seeing me for the first time, thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Linda and I'm filming this video from Lagos. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you two types of Vietnamese hairs, and these two hairs are the Vietnamese bone straight hair and the Vietnamese regular straight hair. And this is just to help you see the difference between both hair, so you get to choose which of them you prefer and you'd like to spend your money on. So guys, if you'd like to see all of this, if you'd like to see me break down the two types of Vietnamese straight hairs which you can get your hands on, then please keep on watching this video. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please kindly support your girl by subscribing to my channel. Subscribe, like this video, share with your friends, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. In my hands right here is a Vietnamese bone straight hair, and you can see how the hair looks. The hair is straight. I haven't had to straighten this hair since I bought it. I literally just even had it in a nylon like this, and when I brought it out of the nylon, it still came out looking straight, despite the fact that I didn't keep it in a straight form. So even if the hair is bent, once I raise it up, like even if it's bent, kept in this way in a nylon, once you raise it up, it still comes back looking straight, because the hair is heavy and it just stays on straight. While this one here is the regular Vietnamese straight hair, and in all honesty, this hair here, the bone straight hair, has more weight, unlike the Vietnamese. This is double drawn, while this one is also double drawn. But the difference between the two of them is that this one is bone straight and is also double drawn, while this one is just a double drawn Vietnamese straight hair. That's where they differ. Where they differ is just from the bone straight, quality of it. And this one has more weight than the ordinary double drawn hair. So you now find out that with this one, it's like it's more of a superior mix of what this one is, because in this one you might still see short strands of hair. With this one you might still see short strands of hair, you know, that might peek through from there. You can still see a few short strands of hair. But with this one, with the bone straight Vietnamese hair, you literally are not getting, okay, there's still a few, but it's not tangible. It's not tangible, unlike what we might be having here. This one is a wig, so it might not necessarily come out the way it ought to come out, but you can see that with this one you might have more short strands peeking through from this one. But the truth is, quality wise, both hairs are good quality, but this one is superior quality. And you can see that this has a natural sheen to it, and this also has a natural shine to it. So the basic difference between the Vietnamese straight hair and the bone straight hair is, no matter how you twist and turn this one stays straight. While this one, if I place it, if I bend it, when I raise it up after I've had it straight, had it bent, it will end up having like a wavy look. And if I curl this hair right here, it's going to take the coil and look coily. But whereas when I curl this one, it might not necessarily take the coil, and even if it takes the coil wouldn't hold the coil for a long time, because it's meant to stay straight. Unlike this one, where unlike the regular Vietnamese straight hair, which if I were to coil it, it's going to take the coil, and the coil will actually last very long because of the thickness of the hair. But this one, because it's like a blunt cut, the way it's heavy from the up part down to the tip of the hair, it's really heavy on. It might not necessarily take the coil, and if it was to take the coil, it would, because of the weight of the hair, the weight of the hair will keep on pulling the coil down. So that's just what makes both hairs differ. And of course, the price point, the bone straight hair is usually more expensive than the straight hairs, though the price range is not so much. It might just be a difference of let's say $6, depending on the length of the hair. Usually just like a $6 to $10 difference. But generally, if I was to take between the bone straight hair and this one, I think I'll take the bone straight hair, because man, guys, it's lush. It's lush, it's low maintenance, and it's just really nice. Even this is also low maintenance when you compare it to the Chinese hair, because really, when I have this wig like this, I can wear it for about a month without needing to style it. But this one, hey, both hairs are really good quality, guys. It just depends on what works, on what you are going for. Depending on your budget, you can just either do this one or do the bone straight hair. So guys, just let me know which of them you prefer. So guys, this is basically how the bone straight hair is, and this is how the straight hair is. So if you liked watching this video, don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel if I know you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.